Do you remember that humorous little analogy about just how to go about eating an elephant? Do you remember the answer? One bite at a time. That's correct. Now, that's meant to be an analogy of how can we tackle a difficult project? Well, simply put, one bite at a time or one step at a time. Now, let's apply that over onto the subject of Medicare, which is notoriously very confusing. So here we go. Today's question is, how can I enroll in Medicare and avoid any late enrollment penalties? What time frame am I given? Okay, let's approach that based on the analogy of one bite at a time. Here you go. It's this simple. When you turn age 65, you are given a 7-month period called your IEP, or initial enrollment period. Everybody, when they near age 65, has that period extended to you, whether you know it or not. Now, what is the 7-month period? Simply put, it's the month you turn age 65, then up to 3 months before, and as late as 3 months after your birthday. That period is called your initial enrollment period. It's that time frame you are given by your Uncle Sam to tackle all things regarding your Medicare. And believe me, to help lower your stress level as you approach Medicare, that 7-month period really is plenty of time to get it done in, particularly if you're working with a local independent agent. Once you've entered your initial enrollment period, what's the very first thing you need to do? It's apply for your original Medicare. That's it. That's a simple enough bite off of the elephant, right? Now, we are looking forward to growing and to helping you with more of your questions. So please make sure you hit the subscribe button somewhere on the screen right now. Find a subscribe, give it a click, and we look forward to seeing you back often. Also, look down below. There's going to be other many helpful videos in this series on Medicare and even the health insurance marketplace. And as we like to say here, stay healthy, be active. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.